Yeah. This is for me, girl, one day.
Hey loves, so today we are doing an extremely quick tutorial on the crochet method for individual box braids. So far I've just opened up the pack of hair. It's 100% Kanekalon hair. I cut the hair in half, and now this is about how long it is if you cut it in half. And the first thing I did was part the hair, part the section in the back, and then I'm doing triangle parts. So I made a triangle right here, and I braided it down, and I'll show you how I braided it. Head down, Trinity. All right, so head down, both. Okay. I'm using elastic rubber bands so they won't break her hair. And this is a great method for people that may not know how to do individual box braids, simply because you don't have to really grip the hair. Once you put the rubber band on the section and use your crochet needle to crochet the hair in, you pretty much can start braiding from there. So basically anybody that know how to plait can do this. All right, take your weave. And for me, I like to, I don't like the ends to be super straight. So I just kind of pull the hair a little bit on each side just to make sure like the ends are a little feathered and not super straight. All right. Then after you get your section of hair, take your crochet needle, open it up. Head down, Trinity, and put the needle while it's open up under the section. Take your bundle of hair, make sure you have it all together. Take your bundle of hair, put it up under the hook, all of it, and close the hook. After you take the hair, put the after you take the bundle of hair and put it up under the hook, now you close the hook. Alright guys, so my battery died, but I'm back. While it's closed, you go ahead and pull it through your section. You should have a loop right here. Make sure you have all the hair on the side it's supposed to be on. Alright, and you just take half of that, half of the hair and just pull it through. Only one side. Alright, and then you make it even on both sides. Now you should have 3 pieces. So we want all our pieces to be as even as possible. Once you have your 3 even pieces, you can start plaiting down.
Reverse, so I promise I'll reverse. I would take back those words, cause I know that you know that. Baby, I don't wanna go forward unless you go home my head, like a dance in the rainforest. All I ever wanted was for you and I to stick together, beat the odds. Had no idea, so difficult. Please, oh, please let me know why things got